Here we go, thunder time.
That was some strike there, wasn't it?
It says, I see about 3 or 4 there too, blue. That was some. Do you see a bit of a bolt come out of that?
No, how many was there?
But easily 3 or. I seen 3 or 4. I guess 4. I've seen.
Well, it's
No
all
way.
across the sky, but 2 definitely hit the ground.
And they're blue. Do you see the blue colour?
Uh,
There's the other one, both in the other one.
That's it. Game on.
Game on.
Jesus. Where did that go out?
Gee, this shows how quickly that developed. That is unbelievable, yeah. That structure on it. Oh.
Not on the full frame now.
Are you?
Might change my frame here.
Yeah. That's what it was. Yeah, I see what you mean.
Oh my god.
Just a video. You say, you can talk about it now. It's jeopardize you. I guess it was on YouTube, yeah. Need a rumble of thunders on this, would be perfect. Lightning or something like that.
Both the lightning.
Looks good in the video, the colours come out right there. See that? It's a bit brighter, but it's.
See it more clear, can't you?
Yeah.
But it does look, the cloud looks like a really angry face. Look, see there, as if that's its eyes, that's its nose, and that's its mouth. It's really evil.
Yeah.
Can you make that out?
Yes, I actually can. It almost, for some reason, reminds me of the 2 dark patches of flaring nostrils and a bowl.
Gosh.